Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2018 Toyota CHR Dynamic. This car comes with the 1.8 petrol engine with the hybrid system and also the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, returning up to 60 miles to the gallon. This is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 17,000 miles and comes with full service history from Toyota. This particular colour is the Accent White, and as you can see is in really good condition for the age mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, first thing that strikes you is the blue theme that runs all the way through the door cards and onto the dashboard, which I think looks really smart. As you can see, the seats are in great condition, really comfy and supportive too, and there's an armrest there in the centre for the front passengers. Onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your DAB radio, Bluetooth and satellite navigation, and this car also has climate control as well as automatic headlights and wipers. You then have your cruise control stalk there on the right hand side of the steering wheel, and then on the driver's door card you have your electric folding mirror and 4 window controls. As you open the rear doors, you'll see you've got a good size rear bench there. The rear seat has 3 individual seat belts, and there's also pockets in the back of the front seats as well. And as you open the tailgate, you've got the really good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. And then underneath the boot floor, just lift it up, you also have a bit of extra storage and your tyre inflator kit. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, front and rear parking sensors and a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance this car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.